Welcome to the video on how to use the Civil File Manager tool. This video will show you how to utilize the tool in order to take a V8i SS4 or SS10 file and convert it to be used within the Open Roads Designer format. If you simply try to open these older versions with the ORD system, it will open the files as a read-only version where you cannot edit the contents.
If you are trying to update an SS3 file or an older version, you will first need to upgrade it to the SS4 format and then upgrade it to the ORD. This can be done by simply opening the file within the SS4 format and selecting Yes when it gives you the prompt asking you if you wish to upgrade it to the SS4 format.
If you wish to upgrade to the ORD format in order to work within this space, then it can be done simply with the Civil File Manager tool. This tool can be found by going to where you have saved your Open Roads Designer file on your computer. Ours is located within the C drive, the Program Files, Bentley, Open Roads Designer CE 10.10, Open Roads Designer. Once the application is opened, you can open the file you wish to convert. This tool can be used to open a file, a folder, or a folder and its subsequent subfolders. This tool can also be utilized within the ProjectWise workspace, or you can simply use it on your local drive. Anytime you do this, you should probably copy a file just in case you wish to utilize the older version in the previous system. This is the best practice. After you have the file opened, you simply have to select the Upgrade All Force option. This will upgrade your file to be used within the ORD format. Now you may use the upgraded file with the ORD system.
If the file you wish to upgrade is on the ProjectWise workspace, then you must upgrade it as a folder and not an individual file. The workflow is the same, except you will now be working within the ProjectWise folder structure. Once you have found the folder where your file is located, you must simply click on it and hit OK. This will import the file or subsequent files that you wish to upgrade. Again, you simply click Upgrade All Force and your file will be upgraded.